Alright, I'm here at Splash, just outside Unit 404 West. This is in the West Tower. I really like Splash one bedrooms. When you walk in, that's the master bedroom, so that's a king size bed right there. Bathroom right here. The big soaker tub. You got hallway bunk beds for the kids. And you got another full bathroom with a shower for the kids. Here's my view. There you go. This is on the 4th floor. So the first floor in Splash is about 30 feet high because of all the pools and lazy rivers and kids' play toys and stuff like that. So 4th floor really feels like maybe the 6th or 7th floor. So you get some good height up here. Some good view. Get the sun to my back for a second. Out on the balcony. There's my view looking out to the west. Looking straight out to the beach, and then my view looking out to the east. Alright, so that is Splash, unit number 404 West.